In today's video, we'll show you everything you need to know about Zadar, Croatia. Located on the Dalmatian coast of Croatia, Zadar is an ancient town with a long history and plenty of sites to explore. From the beautiful Roman ruins to the stunning church of St. Donat and vibrant nightlife, Zadar has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach holiday or an action-packed weekend away, Zadar can provide it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. You can also click Croatia Places playlist in the description to learn more about this amazing country. Now let's dive into the video. What's to see in Zadar? Zadar is a beautiful seaside town in Croatia with plenty of attractions. From the stunning sunset views of the sea organ and greeting to the sun, to the historic churches and old town. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on the beach, Zadar has it all. Discover what this charming Croatian city has to offer by looking at some of its must-see attractions. St. Donat's Church. St. Donat's Church is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city of Zadar. Located in the historic old town, it has been a part of the cityscape for centuries. The church was built in 9th century and has gone through several renovations throughout its long history. Sea organ. Zadar has an impressive sea organ on its waterfront. This incredible instrument is made of 35 pipes that create beautiful music from the waves crashing onto the Riva promenade. The sea organ produces random tunes based on how wind, sea, and tides interact with its pipes, creating a truly unique listening experience for all who visit. Greetings to the sun. Visiting Zadar means experiencing the most beautiful sunset in the world. It is truly a magical experience to witness the sun setting over the Adriatic Sea, creating an amazing orange and pink sky that can be seen from miles away. St. Anastasia Cathedral. St. Anastasia Cathedral in Zadar is one of the oldest and most impressive religious buildings in the city. Built in 13th century, this stunning cathedral is a sight to behold with its impressive facade and beautiful interior. Foša Land Gate. Foša Land Gate in Zadar is an iconic monument and a symbol of strength and resilience located in the center of Zadar. It has been standing since 1632 and it's a symbol of the city's rich history and culture. If you are spending several days in Zadar, take one of many day trips. From Zadar to Krka National Park. Planning a day trip from Zadar to Krka National Park is a great way to explore the natural beauty of Croatia. The drive only takes about an hour and a half by car, making it an ideal option for those who want to get away from Zadar for a moment and explore area in one day. Along the way, you can take in stunning views of the Adriatic Sea, while little planning and some research, you can make a day trip from Zadar to Krka National Park truly memorable. From Zadar to Plitvice Lakes National Park. One of the most popular day trips from Zadar is the visit to Plitvice Lakes National Park. This park is the home to some of the most stunning landscapes in Europe, and it's easy to get there from Zadar by car. From magnificent waterfalls and lush forests to hiking trails and stunning views, this national park has something for everyone. From Zadar to Kornati National Park. The park has 89 islands and it's considered one of the most beautiful parks in Croatia. From Zadar, you can take a boat or ferry ride to Kornati National Park and explore its hidden treasures. How to get to Zadar? Getting to Zadar is relatively simple and straightforward. Whether you choose to travel by car, airplane, or a bus, there are several options available for you to explore. By car or a bus, you can easily reach Zadar from cities all across Europe. If you opt for an airplane, you can fly directly into Zadar Airport and be in the city center within minutes. Hope this list helps you organize the perfect vacation in Zadar. What's your favorite city in Croatia? Let us know in a comment. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.